Welcome to KBTE Teacher Education Channel. In this class, we are going to discuss about sub skills of listening. Sub skills can be understood as the pupils' competencies expressed in behavioral terms. They are also known as, means that sub skills are also known as enabling skills. At the same time, pupil acquire these sub skills when they are provided ample opportunities, means that when students are going to be provided number of opportunities to listen good models of spoken English, then it is easy for the teacher development of sub skills of listening among pupil. Richards in 1983 identified as many as 50 micro level sub skills in listening that the students of English in a second language situation are expected to master to understand the day to day conversational discourses. So, these skills are indispensable to develop listening for comprehension and listening for conversation. In conversation, in comprehension, what is going to play an important role? Listening is going to play an important role. So that's why it is necessary to develop listening skill. For the purpose of development of listening skill among pupil, it is necessary to know what are the sub skills of listening. So here the following are the some of the sub skills of listening which will be useful to develop the listening skill of the people. So they are understanding the meaning of words, phrases and sentences. So when you want to develop your speaking skill, it is necessary first listening is going to play an important role. So generally listening and speaking both are going to take place in a hand in hand situation. So after listening only there is a possibility of speaking. So for the purpose of understanding of any concept, it is necessary to understanding the meaning of words, phrases, sentences which are going to be used by the speaker. So for the purpose of understanding meaning of words, phrases and sentences, it is necessary to concentrate the speaker language, both verbal language and also non-verbal language. And next sub skill is follow directions and commands given by the speaker. When speaker is speaking, so you are going to concentrate what commands are given by the speaker, what directions are given by the speaker. So when you concentrate, when you follow these areas, so it is easy for you understand what actually that speaker is speaking with you. Next, when you want to develop listening skill, it is necessary to concentrate on intonation pattern, understanding intonation pattern, stress, pauses in speech, etc., which provide clues to understand the speaker tone and also intention. So here, for the purpose of understanding the concept which is explaining by the speaker, it is necessary to concentrate on the intonation pattern of the speaker, stress pattern of the speaker, pause in speech. So if you concentrate on all these areas, then it is easy for you to understand the concept in a meaningful manner. And next sub skill is understand simple descriptions and narrations. Whatever description is taking place, whatever narration is taking place, when you are going to understand what is that description, what is that narration, then it is easy to receive information. At the same time, it is easy to respond, to give response to the speaker. So response to the speaker is always depends upon listening only. So when you are going to listen, there is necessary whatever descriptions are there, whatever narrations are there, so that area should be understood by the listener. And next sub-skill is understand the meaning of inverted statements. Means that whatever speech is going on, when speaker is giving something to you, so there whatever inverted statements in inverted commas, some statements are going to be there, important statements are going to be there. So there you need to understand those statements, then only you are going to receive information, at the same time you are going to give response to the speaker. And next sub skill is understand questions and respond to them suitably. So in speech, whatever questions are going to be asked by a speaker, it is necessary to understand the question so that you can give answer to those questions. So understanding question will play important role to give response in a suitable manner. So that's why whenever there are a questions in a speech, it is necessary what actually that question is, what is the meaning of the question, what concept actually is available in that question. So these things you should understand, then only there is a possibility of giving response. Next, when speaker is going to speak, if you concentrate on speech of the speaker, so there you need to recognize cohesive means related devices like such as, in addition to, in fact, in tune, etc. So these words are going to be used by the speaker. So it is necessary to identify these type of words so that you can understand what speaker is speaking with you. So by using all these sub skills, so it is all these sub skills, you can collect information from the speaker, at the same time you will try to give response to the speaker. So response to the speaker is going to depends upon always receiving information. So receiving information is always depends upon careful listening only. For the purpose of careful listening, it is necessary to concentrate on the sub skills of listening. So sub skills of listening are very useful: to listen with attention, to collect information in a proper manner, after collecting information, and it provide a particular way to give response to the speaker. So that's why in development of listening, sub skills of listening are going to play an important role. So this is about sub skills of listening. Thank you.